If you're shopping for a premium wet and dry vacuum right now, you're probably deciding between two types of machines, one that focuses on slim design and power balance, and one that focuses on lay flat flexibility and app integration. Today we're comparing the DREAME Aero Pro wet dry vacuum cleaner and the Tineco S7 Stretch Ultra. And instead of the hype, we're here to break this down by what actually matters in daily cleaning, such as design, power, hair handling, runtime, self-cleaning, and overall value. The DREAME Aero Pro wet dry vacuum cleaner is positioned as a mid-range, feature-complete cleaner that focuses on delivering balance and next-generation experience. Now, the S7 Stretch Ultra is a premium wet-dry vacuum built around a 180-degree lay-flat system and a smart app integration. Now, both clean dry and wet debris, and both support mixed messes, but how they approach it is slightly different. Let's go ahead and start with the design and the slimness. This is where the Aero Pro immediately stands out. It has an ultra-slim 3.88-inch body thickness, and that's 9.85 centimeters, noticeably slimmer than the S7 Stretch Ultra. And that slim profile is not just about looks. You get easier maneuvering, lower reach under furniture, more storage-friendly footprint, and it also reclines 180-degree fully flat and reaches as low as 10-centimeter clearance without suction loss. So in real-world terms, both can lay flat, but the Aero Pro does it while staying slim. And aesthetically, the Aero Pro has this minimalistic integrated look with a hidden dirty water tank, which in my opinion, I think it blends better into modern home spaces. Now, when it comes to the suction power and cleaning performance, the DREAME Aero Pro comes at 25 kilopascals and Tineco S7 Stretch Ultra comes at 21 kilopascals. And that difference may not sound huge on paper, but in mixed debris test, the 25 kPa gives the Aero Pro the stronger pickup for heavier crumbs and denser wet messes. And of course, both can handle vacuum and mop 2-in-1 cleaning, but the Aero Pro positions itself as one of the strongest suction options in its price range. So if raw suction matters to you, the Aero Pro has the edge. Moving on to the hair handling and tangle technology, and this one is pretty important if you have a pet or if you have a household that is dealing with a lot of long hair on the floor. The Aero Pro uses the TangleCut 2.0, rated for zero tangling with mixed human hair and pet hair, and the S7 Stretch Ultra uses the dual block anti-tangle design with a comb and a scraper mechanism, and both aim to reduce tangling, but the Aero Pro emphasizes a fully upgraded anti-tangle 2.0 system that is specifically designed for mixed hair types. So if you deal with long hair and pet hair at your home, this is something that you need to pay attention to. Now, all of these features are very important, but you know what's more important? To have a good battery life, and the Aero Pro uses up to 60 minutes, and the S7 Stretch Ultra is up to 50 minutes, and that extra 10 minutes can be the difference between finishing the entire house in one go or needing a recharge. And the Aero Pro is positioned as one of the longest runtime models in its segment. So for larger homes, I think this is a very crucial point. Now, when it comes to the self-cleaning and drying system, both machines feature hot water self-cleaning, but here is the breakdown because the Aero Pro includes the 194 Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Celsius hot water circulation and bidirectional brush washing, 203 Fahrenheit, 95 degrees Celsius hot air drying, and fast 5-minute quick dry mode, and the S7 Stretch Ultra includes the 90 degrees Celsius hot water self-cleaning, integrated drying, and that key difference is the Aero Pro's, the bidirectional washing, and the dedicated fast drying cycle, in which reduces the downtime between cleaning sessions. Now, when it comes to the noise and your daily comfort, the Aero Pro runs at around 72 decibels, making it more like a baby and pet-friendly. And the S7 Stretch Ultra is rated around 78 decibels, and you already know that lower noise doesn't always get attention, but in a real home, it's very noticeable. Now, the controls and smart integration, the S7 Stretch Ultra offers a smart LED display, voice assistant, and app integration, And the Aero Pro offers the LED display, the voice prompts, dirt detection with automatic suction and water adjustment. So if app connectivity is a priority, I think that's something to consider. And if simplicity and core cleaning performance matters more, I think the Aero Pro prioritizes the simplicity and fundamental cleaning power. So the DREAME Aero Pro wet dry vacuum cleaner is the smarter choice at this price level, and the S7 Stretch Ultra doesn't stay behind, but when comparing price to performance, I think the Aero Pro delivers a fully maxed out features, which is often outperforming most expensive wet dry cleaners. So to me, this is the winner. And right now is the perfect time to get one of these Aero Pro for yourself, because DREAME is having a limited time launch offer up to 25% off, valid through the end of March. And additionally, there will be also spring promotions in mid-March. Go ahead and stay tuned with DREAME in their upcoming products and deals, and stay tuned with more content. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.